Have you ever wondered about the tiny musicians that serenade us on warm summer nights? Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of crickets, those remarkable insects that have captivated humans for centuries with their enchanting melodies and intriguing behaviors. Crickets, belonging to the family Gryllidae, are a diverse group of insects found across the globe. These small but mighty creatures have adapted to various environments, from lush grasslands to dense forests, and even our own backyards. Their unique body structure and specialized features make them truly remarkable subjects of study in the insect world. Let's start by examining the general body structure of crickets. Like other insects, crickets have a body divided into three main sections: the head, thorax, and abdomen. The head is where we find some of their most interesting features. Crickets possess a pair of long, slender antennae that serve as their primary sensory organs, allowing them to detect vibrations, odors, and changes in air currents. Their large compound eyes provide a wide field of vision, while three simple eyes, called ocelli, help them detect light intensity. Moving down to the thorax, we encounter one of the cricket's most distinctive features: its wings. Most cricket species have two pairs of wings, with the front pair being tough and leathery, while the hind pair is more delicate and used for flight. Interestingly, it's the front wings that are responsible for producing the characteristic chirping sound we associate with crickets. Male crickets have specialized structures on their wings, called the stridulatory apparatus, which they rub together to create their melodious calls. The cricket's legs are another fascinating aspect of their morphology. While all 6 legs are well developed, it's the powerful hind legs that truly stand out. These jumping legs are significantly larger and more muscular than the others, allowing crickets to leap impressive distances relative to their body size. This adaptation not only helps them escape predators, but also aids in their courtship rituals. It's worth noting that there can be significant differences between male and female crickets, a phenomenon known as sexual dimorphism. Males are often smaller and more slender than females, with more pronounced wing structures for sound production. Females, on the other hand, typically have a visible ovipositor at the end of their abdomen, used for laying eggs in soil or plant material. When it comes to distribution, crickets are truly global citizens. These adaptable insects can be found on every continent except Antarctica, thriving in a wide range of habitats. From the sun-baked savannas of Africa to the temperate meadows of Europe and the tropical rainforests of South America, crickets have made themselves at home in diverse ecosystems around the world. While many cricket species prefer open grasslands and fields, others have adapted to life in forests, caves, and even human-populated areas. Some species have become common inhabitants of our gardens, parks, and homes, their familiar chirping serving as a soundtrack to our daily lives. The ecological roles of crickets are as varied as their habitats. These insects play a crucial part in many food chains, serving as an important food source for a wide array of predators. Birds, reptiles, small mammals, and even larger insects like praying mantises all rely on crickets as a nutritious part of their diet. Spiders, too, count crickets among their favorite prey, often constructing their webs to catch these unsuspecting insects. But crickets aren't just prey, they're also consumers in their own right. Many species are herbivorous, feeding on a variety of plant materials, including leaves, seeds, and flowers. This plant-eating behavior can sometimes put them at odds with gardeners and farmers, as large populations of crickets can cause damage to crops and ornamental plants. However, it's important to recognize that crickets' relationship with plants isn't entirely negative. Some species play a role in seed dispersal, inadvertently helping to spread plant species as they move about their habitats. Additionally, when crickets die, their bodies decompose and return valuable nutrients to the soil, contributing to the overall health of their ecosystems. In conclusion, the Gryllidae family of crickets represents a fascinating group of insects that have successfully adapted to life in diverse environments across the globe. From their unique body structures and sound-producing abilities to their important roles in various ecosystems, crickets continue to captivate both scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. The next time you hear that familiar chirping on a warm evening, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable little musicians that share our world.